Have you ever cared for someone so deeply that you started losing parts of yourself in the process? It starts small. You cancel your plans when they're upset. You shape your words to avoid conflict. You replay conversations in your mind, wondering what you could have done differently. And slowly, your peace becomes tied to their presence. Your joy depends on their approval. Your sense of self fades. But here's what the Stoics understood: something timeless, something powerful. Love should never cost you yourself. In the Stoic view, detachment isn't about becoming cold or distant. It's about loving wisely, fully, freely, without making another person the center of your inner universe. Let's explore 4 Stoic practices that help you emotionally detach, not to stop caring, but to start breathing again. Practice affection without dependency. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Love only that which happens, no greater harmony." The Stoics never rejected love, but they warned against turning love into possession. When you tie your worth to someone's attention or affection, you hand them the key to your emotional life. What if you could love someone while still standing tall in your own identity? Caring deeply doesn't mean you must crumble if they walk away. They are a traveler walking beside you, not your anchor, not your definition. Affection, in its healthiest form, is a gift, not a transaction, not a contract that says, if you stay, I'll be okay. Use negative visualization. It sounds strange at first, but this ancient Stoic technique is transformative. Each day, take a quiet moment and imagine, what if this person left your life? What if they moved away, drifted apart, or even passed on? This isn't about fear. It's about perspective. As Seneca said, "He robs present ills of their power who has perceived their coming beforehand." You're not wishing for loss. You're preparing your heart to hold reality. Let yourself feel the ache. Then gently remind yourself, even this, I can endure. Because nothing in life is promised. And knowing that makes you stronger, not weaker. Return to the self. When you're too attached to someone else, it's often a sign you've drifted from yourself. The Stoics call it the inner citadel, a space inside you that no one else can enter. It's built with your values, your reason, your integrity. Start coming home to it. Ask, what kind of person do I want to be even when no one's watching? What virtues matter to me, regardless of who stays or leaves? You are not half of a whole. You are a whole being, capable of love, wisdom, and strength on your own. Let nature run its course. Finally, the Stoics teach us to surrender not in weakness, but in wisdom. Whatever happens to you has been waiting to happen since the beginning of time, Marcus Aurelius wrote. People will come. People will go. Some will stay a season. Some a lifetime. You don't need to fight the current. Let the river flow. You stay steady on your rock. When the urge rises to chase, to fix, to cling, breathe, and say to yourself, this moment belongs to nature, and I trust the rhythm of life more than the fear of loss. So here's the truth. Emotional detachment isn't rejection. It's liberation. It's the courage to care without collapsing, to give without gripping, to love without losing your own reflection. Because your peace was never meant to live in someone else's hands. It lives in you. If this message resonated with you, don't just scroll away. Tap subscribe to walk this journey of wisdom, resilience, and self-mastery together. Each week, we dive deep into timeless philosophies and practical tools to help you live with more clarity, calm, and courage. Hit the bell so you never miss a moment of reflection. And if there's someone in your life who needs to hear this, share it forward. Because peace isn't something we keep, it's something we pass on.